Hello everyone, and welcome to my first proper YouTube video in 3 years. This is about my computer. This computer's name is JASM Comp 1. It's called that because it runs a programming language that I made called JASM. So these green lines make up the main bus, and these yellow, orange, and red lines, that's all the control circuitry. Over here in the magenta is the RAM, and all this blue stuff is the ALU and its registers. Over here I have some more registers, like over here I have the instruction register. Over here I have a data register, which holds more data about the instruction. And over here I have the program counter. One thing that makes this computer different than a lot of other computers, well, at least that I've seen, is that this actually takes its program from RAM, and everything is programmed in opcodes instead of this microcode. So it has to have a lot of circuitry to load in those opcodes and execute them, but I mean, I think it's pretty neat. I have a lot of the information about this computer and, well, mostly its programming language in a GitHub repository, and that'll be in the description of the video. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Yeah, so just go there if you want more information about this. Okay, so now it's time for a demonstration. I think I have a Fibonacci program loaded into here, so I'm just gonna come over here and click Start/Resume. So the first thing that it does is load in the opcode from RAM. So you can probably see that happening here. Okay, and now it sets the instruction register to a 1. And now it's loaded in the data, which is also just 1. And it executes that and puts a 1 into the A register. So now it's coming over here and it's loading in the next opcode, which is a 2. Then it loads the data register, which is still just a 1. Okay, there we go. And then it executes it, and we now have a 1 in the B register. So now it's coming over here. It loads in a 10, which is an add instruction. Then over here, okay, it's still loading. Then it sets the C register over here to a 2. Then over here, loads in the next one, which is 33. Okay, yeah. And that is an output instruction, so it will just take whatever's in here and output it to this IO register. Okay, there we go. So now our Fibonacci program is outputting a 1. So now it should be loading in the next instruction. I think that's jump. I don't know, probably. Let's look at the program counter. Alright. Not sure if that jumped. What did that do? Alright, it moved the C register to the A register. Okay, so now what is it doing? 10, that's add. So the C register should be set. Yep, it has 3. Alright, so it probably did something. Did it output? No, not yet. Alright, what is that? Okay, it should be outputting now. Yep, alright. So, move C to B, probably. Alright, well, you could probably see that this is just running Fibonacci. Yep, so now it'll add 2 and 3 to get 5, and then 3 and 5 to get 8, and so on. So, I hope you've liked this video, and my next video will probably be about my next computer, which is actually in Factorio. So, bye.